What is up, y'all? It's your boy ET here, back with another video. So today I have a very special video for you guys. So recently is my birthday on January 13th. So my dad, he said he would buy me a pair of spikes. This isn't just any pair of spikes, I'll tell you. Well, actually you already know by the title, so never mind, it's not gonna be that suspenseful. But yes, we are unboxing the Nike Air Zoom Victories. And I got them for my birthday, and you know Nike has that special birthday discount. Love Nike for that. It's a real blessing, so got them for about $150, $154, something like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these shoes. Already, this box looks huge, just like massive compared to another pair of shoes. I'm gonna be doing a review of those too. I'm posting this video first, so I've already made the other video by the time you're seeing this. But yeah, you guys are gonna see another video coming soon, and this also has to deal with the Nike Air Zoom product line. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so Air Zoom, that's crazy because this box is like this big for something that's like this small. I don't know why they put it in such a big box, but I really love this. It's already a little different than another box that I've seen for the Air Zoom white box. I don't remember seeing this digital race time print the last time, so that already looks super clean. And in my other shoes, I didn't get this Air Zoom Victory bag either. I've been waiting to get that bag. Wow, so I love this bag. It's like massive, like compared to the, like, where's that other bag? The smaller Nike bag. Okay, so sadly, I actually don't have that bag on me, but y'all know what I'm talking about, that green neon one. It's like, this one is much larger than that one, and plus it's like a dual drawstring type one where you can go like this instead of the other one, whereas it's just like one, like it's only on one side and you gotta go like that to do it. So this one's definitely a lot better in my opinion. It's more like a backpack too. So yeah, got the bag right there. Next, it's time to get into the spikes. So actually first, got the screw, why do I always forget the name? The spike screwer type thing and the spike. And then the shoes themselves. Oh my gosh, this is like a legit reaction. First time I'm seeing this. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, look how shiny that is. This is, of course, the Air Zoom Pod. Wow. That is nice. Oh my gosh, wow, that's crazy. And then you got the other one, of course. So I got them in size 10.5. They said they fit true to size, so I went ahead and got them in 10.5, and they look like they'll be perfect. So, of course, they have the Atom Knit upper, which I'm excited for. I'm not gonna be wearing no bulky socks because I feel like that would probably mess that up, the feel. So I'm gonna be wearing some low-cut socks for this probably. And so yeah, you got the carbon plate in it, you got the Zoom X foam, of course, and then you have the Air Zoom Pod up here at the forefoot. So this just looks amazing. Like, I got them in the mango colorway. I knew a bunch of other people, if they're getting them, they might get them in the white, pink, and blue colorway. This is insane. I can't believe I actually got these, because these still pretty new. A lot of people haven't been able to get their hands on these, so hopefully I have an advantage on these. And I've been training. I'll go ahead and tell you. I've been training in the Nike Air Zoom Tempo and X%. That's the other video that's going to be coming soon. A whole in-depth review of those shoes. And so these don't match, like, as far as the colorway goes. They do have a mango colorway of the Air Zoom Tempos, but I didn't get those just because I couldn't find those for the same price that I found the colorway that I did get in. But I was able to find these for a good price. So I'm so grateful that I was able to get these shoes, and they just look amazing. The first time I saw it, it said it was recommended for $800 and $1,500, and then I saw another one that said $800 to $5K, then I saw another one that said $800 to $10K. So I don't know what events they're really for, but the first one I saw was $800, $1,500, and of course my races are the $800 and $1,600 because I'm in high school, except like for the summer, you know. So it's like perfect. I can't wait to race in these. I just know they're gonna feel great. It says Air Zoom Victory right here on the little tongue right here. And so this looks more like a sneaker the way they did the tongue here, because you can actually pull the tongue out like that. You can pull the tongue out like that. So yeah, and this Atom Knit at the front, it feels kind of, oh, that's just because of this cardboard, I'm tripping. Okay, let me take that out. Okay, it's just super flexible, like That's crazy. And it's see-through right here, but then like less see-through up here. It kind of looks like, what does it look like? It's kind of like, okay, never mind. I was thinking about like a 6th grade art project I did, something like that, which doesn't sound like a good description because like 6th grade art projects probably weren't that good. Mine definitely wasn't that good. But what I mean, it just looks super glossy because it's hard to explain how it looked like my 6th grade art project. Like, I've never had a shoe with Atom knit, and Nike hasn't made a lot with Atom knit, so this is just really cool. And the way they have this Zoom X foam right here, they have a lot of it in here, so it's gonna feel more like a sneaker compared to other spikes. A racing, it's gonna feel more like a running shoe than a spike in some ways. I feel like, yeah, because there's a lot of foam right here. That's a lot different than other spikes that I have. So here's another spike that I have reviewed in the past. It's the Cosmo Racer LD. I ran these for the past 2 years, and I only wore them for the mile. I wore them for the 2 mile also, and I really loved them. And they don't have that much cushion. They're not that flexible. They don't have that much give, but I was still able to run pretty fast in my freshman year, and they just feel really great. And I ran them in cross country too, and they felt awesome, of course, because I don't know, I just love those shoes. But these are a lot more elevated with the foam, and they of course have this Air Zoom pod in the front. So that's gonna be interesting because I've never ran a shoe or spike with something like that in the front except for the Air Zoom Tempos. I'm trying not to spoil that video for you guys. Okay, so the last little comparison that I want to make to these shoes are the Nike Zoom Victory XC5s. So I got these for cross country season. I never unboxed them or showed them to you guys or anything because they just weren't that new. I didn't know if you guys would want to see that. But yeah, so the comparison that I wanted to make is how I said I hadn't really seen the Zoom X foam this elevated in a spike before, whereas like most spikes don't have that, except that I've had anyway, except the main one that I've seen it in is the Zoom Victory XC5, but these are like my XC spikes, my cross country spikes, so I won't really be wearing them for track, but you can more so see it on the inside side of the shoe. So the Zoom X foam in the midfoot is a lot similar in both shoes. They're very similar in both shoes, and they're both Zoom Victory. They're both Zoom Victory spikes. The main difference between these is this one's mainly built for cross country. This one's built for track. For the track, this one comes with some different spikes. Also, it comes with the triangular spikes and the normal spikes, and this is a vapor weave upper, whereas this is the Atom knit upper. But I just love both of them by looks, just like already. This one, it like cross country, of course the conditions are crazy, so like I could feel it like getting dirty pretty fast, but these hopefully don't get messed up too fast. I don't think they will. This looks like a very good quality spike, and they probably won't get that dirty just because they're a track shoe. Like the only thing I'm probably gonna see is a bunch of red and maybe some wear over time, but it's not really gonna be all this mud and grass that's on this shoe. I need to clean it for real. But yeah, so that's the final comparison I wanted to make real quick. So yeah guys, that's a complete unboxing of the Nike Air Zoom Victories. You got the spikes that go inside of here, so it's actually a 6 spiked plate. I forgot to tell you guys that, but yeah, 6 spiked plate. Got the blue and the white and the mango-ish, orange, whatever you want to call it, Atom knit upper with the black Nike swoosh check there, as well as on the inside. And then we have the bag here. Oh shoot, I was about to rip that. Bro, I didn't know what this was. I think I even saw this, but there's like 2 different sleeves. I'm tripping. That's crazy. So it's like you put one spike in one side and one spike in the other side. That's super nice. I thought it's like a divider in the middle. I thought it was just one big bag, but that's amazing right there. And there you go. There's the Nike Air Zoom Victory spikes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below other spikes or shoes you just want me to unbox and review in general. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also so you can get notified whenever I make a new video. That being said, I'll see you guys later. God bless. Peace.